Here are a few slides that I machined. Glock 19, front serrations, optic cut. This is a muzzle brake that I made / suppressor adapter. Another 19 slide, front serrations, and optic cut. And then this one is a 34 slide MOS, so front serrations. And then I made my own MOS adapter plate to get rid of some of the slop that's in the factory setup. So here is the 19 together. Did some framework, undercut the trigger guard, stippled it. Not the best looking stipple job, but it gets the job done. This is the 34 back together. This is before I did any framework to it. So I have another video showing the stipple job. I attempted to do a camo stipple and it turned out okay. And then I also have another video that shows how the MOS plate fits together. But pretty happy with how this one turned out too.